Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Simon, and in this video we are going to go through Mendeley installation. I will come and I open my browser. Open my browser. After opening it, I go and I type Mendeley reference management manager software download. I come and I log into it so that it can open. After it just open, I can come and I download it from here so that the work will be there. Come and I check whether it's downloading. As you can see, downloading is the process, so I give it time to download. After downloading, I'll come and I open it. Once now I open it, it will be here. Click on it. It comes here. Run on it. After that, it completes everything. Come and I check here. Only for me, anyone who use this computer here, I will want this part only for me. Then I click on next. After that, I come here, install this, which it is installing. It will take some minute time. It's already done now. After everything getting installed, I'll press that finish so that the whole process will be done. So now I have Mendeley. Now after you come here to create the account now in your Mendeley, you first start by entering the email. After entering the email, then you continue. Let me enter my email and continue. After continuing, you come here where you enter the password. You need to select the password. You need to select the password and then you sign in. So continue, put the password and continue. After entering the password, then you log in. It will now open your Mendeley and it's loading. So everything is now here. It means that you downloaded your Mendeley app. So now your Mendeley app is here. Everything you want to do with it will be here. Anyway, thank you for watching my video.